What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So first things first, a very happy new year to you guys, and I'm really sorry I did not upload a video in the past couple of days, but that's not my fault. That's only because my editor was not here. I don't know why he chose to go on a 10-day holiday while I was here waiting and trying to create more videos, but nevertheless I had a good break of about a week. I think this is probably the first time in the past couple of months that I have actually not uploaded a video for a whole week. But nevertheless, I really missed it a lot. And yeah, I have a couple of great videos planned for you guys. Obviously, the Hypebeast house tour, the cap video, and a couple more videos. But nevertheless, I thought let's just get going with a vlog to start the new year. And that's what I'm going to do today. So we have a couple of things to do today. I'm going to head out right now and I'll catch you in the car. By the way, that's one big change that I'm making in 2021. As you can see, this is my Apple Watch, which was a waste of money that I told in the first vlog. This is the Apple Pencil, the Magic Keyboard and the iPad Pro. So I'm getting rid of all these things because what I realized is that as much as how compact the iPad Pro is, but I have been using my iPad Pro only with the keyboard and the mouse, that is the Magic Keyboard, and not actually been using the pencil a lot or the touch screen. So I realized there's no point in carrying the same weight around, and I'd rather just move on to a laptop again. So I'm moving on to the M1 chip MacBook Air, I think that is, yeah. So that is why all these things are packed here, and I'm going to take them and sell them off and exchange it for the new MacBook Air. So here is what I have decided for 2021. I'm going to do a lot of vlogging. I'm going to increase the number of videos that I do because I realized in 2020 how much I love doing this. And not just that, you guys have been watching all the videos and supporting and showing me so much of love. So I'm going to definitely try to do a lot of vlogs. And since I'm also going to be traveling to Dubai, I'm going to try an experimental daily vlog series where I will vlog every single day from Dubai. Hopefully everything goes right in that case, because recently the Maharashtra government has changed some rules and you need to be institutionally quarantined for 14 days after you return from either Middle East or the Europe. So I don't know what's going to happen with that trip, because I was extremely excited and looking forward to doing that. Not that I'm going for the first time, but I had a couple of things planned, because the last time when I went, I wasn't exactly doing vlogs or shooting videos. So I was really excited for that, but sadly I don't know what's going to happen with that. We're gonna have to wait and watch if any rules changes in the next couple of days, because I was planned to go at the end of Jan. So coming back to 2021, like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs, and what I want to honestly do is just shoot my life as often as I can. I do not want to plan those videos. I do not want to think of titles and then create the vlog around it. So do let me know in the comments below what do you guys feel about this, and we'll probably then start doing maybe 3 or 4 videos in a week. Alright, so I'm here where I had to be. I'll just be back in a minute. Alright, so back in the car. So I had to just visit my doctor for a bit. No, nothing great, nothing has happened to me. I'm totally fine, just the usual stuff. So that's where I was. Now let's move on and first take a quick stop at Starbucks, because as you all know, if you don't buy Starbucks in your vlog, then you're not a vlogger, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let's go ahead and get ourselves some approval of being a vlogger. By the way, one thing I never understood about the doctors is that when they give you an appointment, I don't understand why do you have to still wait for an hour to get inside. I mean, what's the whole point of getting an appointment? Absolute nonsense. Alright, so done with Starbucks, and now I'm going to quickly head to give away my electronic items, that is the iPad and all that I showed you in the beginning of the video. We'll quickly head over and get rid of that, and then I'm going to go back home and probably I'll catch you there. I just want to drive in peace now because the roads are empty and it's afternoon, so I do not want to do this nonsense with the camera all the time. So I'm going to see you back at home. Alright, Alright, so back home and yeah, I got rid of all my gadgets and iPad and shit like that. But sadly, I did not get the new M1 MacBook because it's not in stock. I don't understand how these things are never in stock and they just get sold out like it's peanuts. But any which ways, so if I don't get it in the next couple of days, then I'll probably do one thing. I'll buy it from Dubai because I'll end up saving about 10 to 15k if I'm not mistaken. Let's see how that goes. By the way, yes, I do smoke shisha. A lot of you guys have been asking since I put it in the background of a photograph on Instagram post. So basically I was a smoker before for a long time, but I don't know what came to my head and I quit smoking like a couple of months ago successfully. I haven't touched a cigarette in the past 2 to 3 months. So that is the reason why I'm back to shisha sometimes, because it helps me curb the craving for a cigarette. By the way, I also had an important announcement for you guys. Like you all know about the metro, it has been doing decently well, but we want to make it more exciting. So what we're going to do this week, or this week onwards rather, is that we are going to do the steals drop in the members exclusive live stream only. It is not going to be on the website on Friday. Instead, it's going to be on Friday night at 10 p.m. via a members exclusive live stream where we will drop each and every item from the steal section in front of you on the live stream, and you will get a fair chance at copying everything. So why we're doing this is because a lot of people had complaints about overselling and people thinking that it's kind of a scam and we're not really dropping the items. So this is the reason why we're doing it on members live, and also it will be fun and interesting. So it will be like a good an hour or two of a session that we will do it together. We'll have some fun, hang out, drop the steals. The website will have some items as well, but not on Friday 11 p.m. like it used to be, but instead it's going to be like a shock drop, and you will be notified about that via a post on the Metro page of Instagram. Here is that page. I haven't yet told you all about it, but there's a separate page for Metro. You can DM there about your issues. You can comment there. You will know about all the updates and latest drops and things like that. Now, that's what's happening this week with Metro. But the most important part is that we are reducing the monthly membership fees to 1,999 instead of 2,999, because in the last couple of streams we asked people and people were really keen on having the membership fixed at 1,999. So like you guys asked for it, we are doing it. So you can go on the link in description box below and subscribe now for the monthly membership at only 1,999. Now apart from this, there's also a hype bingo happening on Main Street. So I'll just tell you one of the benefits that Metro members usually receive as against others. So hype bingo is sort of a housey or a tombola or whatever you call it. I don't know. It will be via YouTube live where you have these tickets, and instead of winning some other prizes, you win sneakers and streetwear and stuff like that. So for all the Metro members, if you buy one ticket of the hype bingo, you get 2 tickets free. Now if you're not a member, then instead of buying 2 tickets and getting 1 free, you rather pay for the membership and then buy 1 ticket and you get 2 tickets free. So if you want to know more about that, again, go to the Main Street Marketplace Instagram. Want to know more about Metro, then go to the link in description or check out the Metro page. Just visit the Main Street website and you will have all the details over there. So yeah, that's what's about Metro for today. I know this vlog was not that great and there was nothing much to show you guys, but nevertheless, I just wanted to get going like I said. And if you guys are still watching it till here, then thank you very much. Please do not forget to like the video. And not just that, by the time you're watching this, I will have already started shooting the Hypebeast house tour video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully with the house tour. So peace. ये हो गई क्या तेरी छुट्टी? हाँ, 10 दिन से छुट्टी पे गया है. काम कौन करेगा इधर? वीडियो के लिए रुके हैं सब.